Hello! Today I'm gonna show you the advanced level of removing background in Photoshop. Here you can see quite a complex object, and removing background manually just won't make any sense. It will take a lot of time and effort. I suggest a different way. Duplicate layer, go to Adjustment Layers, Black and White, and drag blues and cyan because they are the colors of the sky. The goal here is to make the background as contrast as possible so that we can later select our subject. Let's go to Layers to make the background even more contrast. Drag levels so that our object is as dark as possible. I'm pretty happy with the result. Now let's merge layers to make it easier to work. I usually right-click, select all the layers I want to merge, right-click, merge layers. Now they are merged. Now let's go to color range and select all the sky parts. Here I choose all the sky and make sure to click invert so that we select the sky, but that then invert things, and the only thing that is selected is the object we want to cut out. So now it's selected, and now we can just go to mask. Yes, now it's masked and the background is removed.